Hey, what is up all my fellow geeks, geekettes, nerds, comic book readers, video game players, and action figure collectors all around the world. This is the one, the only, the proud nerd. And I went to one of my local Targets today. Got two figures. And man, Target's just been killing it with the figures, man. First, Marvel Legends Wolverine. Now what I got for you guys today. And this was on clearance, by the way. Didn't pay full price for this. It was on clearance for like $11.99. No, $11.98. And it makes me happy because I get to add to my Guardians of the Galaxy. Check that out. Ego and Star-Lord. And I've been wanting this 2-pack for a while because I really want that Ego because that Ego looks so cool. But the Chris Pratt head sculpt on this looks phenomenal. Let's get him out of the box. Oh, forgot. But if you're going to do an unboxing, you need a box and a knife. Ooh, look at that sweet picture of Star-Lord. I like that. You got a picture of Ego. I'm loving it. Loving it, loving it. I'm just in a really good mood today, guys. It was a good day. Here comes the best part. Wait. Oh. The best part, baby. Sliding them out of the box. Which one should I take out first? I'm going to take Ego out first. I hate when they do that with the capes. It really annoys me. Alright. Taking a look at Ego here. Okay, this guy's pretty sick. He's got nice detail. The articulation's nice. Take a look at him. See if I can... I'm trying to adjust it so it focuses on his face. Okay, it's not focusing for some reason. Okay, you guys can kind of see it. Okay, that's a little better. Yeah, the detail on this thing is crazy, man. I mean, wow. This guy has so much detail, it's not even funny. And from what I can tell, they use the face printing technology. Really looks like it. I'm going to have to do a review on both of these figures, because, dang. So, Ego. Definitely a figure worth getting, especially if you're trying to build up your Guardians of the Galaxy figures. And Ego does come with an alternate head. Oh, I forgot to do it. Oh, sweet Guardians of the Galaxy, that's good. Ah, it's good. It smells new. Nah, nothing from the head, but man, that head sculpt is sick. Doing it through the camera does not do it justice. Star-Lord, he's got a lot going on. So first, gonna take out his guns. And he does come with a very, very small Walkman. Hope you guys can see that. Comes with his helmeted head, just pretty sweet. Now Star-Lord can be freed from this plastic prison. I already have Star-Lord, as you guys know. Oh, that's stiff. Gonna have to heat that up. Okay. Wow, dude. Dead on Chris Pratt likeness. I'm sorry, guys. It's not focusing on the figure, but doesn't that not look like Chris Pratt? It's a dead-on likeness. Dude, I pretty much already have this figure, but I'm really liking it more than the other one. The detail on it is so much sharper. I'm going to have to do a comparison between this Star-Lord and the one I already have. Why are his joints so stiff? I'm going to have to loosen that up with heat. But the guns look... yeah, they look exactly the same. This Walkman... I heard you can clip this Walkman to his waist. It's such a tiny piece, I don't want to lose it. Okay. I know you can clip it onto his waist. I've seen the Foosh do it. Does it go on like this? Maybe? No, not even close, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure it out off camera, but so far, I'm liking this Star-Lord a lot more than the other one. The detail's so much sharper. They used the face printing technology on this one, so these figures are awesome, you guys. I'm loving them. I'm really happy I got them. Yeah, very blessed day, and Target has just been killing it with the Legends lately. Thank you, Target. Oh, and at my Target, I found Deadpool. So you guys check your local Targets if you haven't found Deadpool yet. There's a chance he could be there. So yeah, guys, I'm really happy with these figures. I'm really happy I got them. I'm gonna have to do a full review on them and compare this Star-Lord to the other one, because it's uncanny how much that looks just like Chris Pratt. And man alive, does this look like Kurt Russell. It's almost terrifying. It looks just like a mini Kurt Russell. Holy smokes, that looks like him. Yeah, review coming soon, guys, for both of these. So, be expecting that soon. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed my nerdiness. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And join Pose and Action Figures. Links to that will be in the description. Alright, guys, this is the Proud Nerd signing out. And I'm saying to all my fellow nerds and collectors out there to stay nerdy. Peace.